Welcome to the last video in the Greece series. We had so much fun traveling around, starting off in Santorini, taking the ferry to Ios, Paros, and Naxos, with our final stop being crazy beautiful Athens. If you're new here, definitely go back and watch the full series. In this video, we'll go see where the first Olympics were held, cruise through the city to get our hands on some Spanakopita, and we'll wrap things up with a sunset rooftop bar overlooking the Parthenon. Now go get some ouzo or some ouzo and sit back, relax, and enjoy. Oh wow, that's so cool. We're just leaving our Airbnb near Plaka. Great Airbnb, by the way, I'll leave it linked down below. And we happen to be on a street where they're having a weekend market, selling all kinds of fresh produce. If we were here longer, I would have definitely purchased my haul. Everything looked so fresh and so colorful. We're making our way to the Panathenaic Stadium, the first Olympic stadium. Alrighty, everyone, this is where the first Olympics were held. That's so cool! Oh, buy credit card and cash. 10 euros each. Alright, tickets purchased. We're gonna get a bottle of water before we go in. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. There is an area here where you can buy snacks and some water. Of course, a beer. Can you buy beer? Yeah, it is funny. This stadium was built for the first modern Olympic Games in 1896, built on the site of the ancient stadium used for the Games of the Panathenaic. It is the only stadium in the world made completely out of marble. There is an ancient passage under the stadium once used by gladiators and modern athletes. Today, the tunnel leads to a museum featuring torches and posters from all of the modern games.
That's so cool.
Every 2 years for the games, the Olympic torch is lit in Olympia, Greece, before making its way to the Panathenaic Stadium for the official handover ceremony where the torch is passed to the official hosting city. There is so much history to learn about Athens and Greece. I can't very well read every internet search page, so I'll leave some links down below for those interested in learning more. Or if you're in Greece, definitely check out Athens walking tours. Now let's go get a view from the top, shall we? This is definitely worth checking out if you're in Athens. 10 euros. Come spend an hour. Totally worth it. So cool, and that you can like go up in the stands. This is one of the main shopping areas of Athens, Ermou. You'll find anything from H&M, Zara, and so many brands and stores I've never even seen or heard of. We're walking through here to find a Spanakopita place I found on Google. I used Google to translate the name to English. I believe it's Excellence Baking. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'll leave them linked down below. Bye. Alright, that was the best. We didn't even... Oh, it was so good. Definitely come here if you're in Athens for the best Spanakopita. Oh, look at the cute little car. Oh, it's their delivery? I don't know. Anyway, if you're looking for a good Spanakopita, definitely come here. It's so good, and I think it was only €3, less than that. It was not as flaky as the ones I've had in Toronto, but like kind of like soft. Oh, it was so good. Next, we stumbled into this cute bar across the street for a pick-me-up and some air conditioning. The staff here were so friendly, we actually came here twice. You wanna go this way? You wanna go straight? Oh, they're so cute. Hello, kitten. This area here is super cute. It's just, I'll put it in the maps. I can't position myself right now. Back in the neighborhood of Psirri, we really loved this area. Super chill with a really funky vibe. We went to loads of bars and restaurants while we were in Athens, and all of the staff everywhere were super friendly. So this street here is the oldest in Europe.
Killer.
If you're looking for an affordable but nice rooftop bar to catch the sunset in Athens with views of the Parthenon, definitely check this place out. It's a great option. Recommended to us by a server from another restaurant that we had visited. But if you want a seat, get here early or make a reservation. We got lucky and just walked in. We knew we would love traveling Greece, but we didn't realize how much. We had the best time here, and we can't wait to come back and explore more of this amazing country. So if you're sitting at home debating where to travel next, well, this is your sign. Greece. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the Greece series. Coming up next, we're heading back to beautiful Rome, another one of our favorite cities. We'll actually go inside the Colosseum this time, eat some yummy food. I'll show you a great affordable hotel close to the Vatican, and so much more. So go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell to stay in the loop. See you guys in beautiful Roma.